In your research, when you are using a mixed method, qualitative or quantitative research, integration of the complex numerical data and linking it with your research gap and concluding it into understandable results is a very tough time, and most of the researchers are not familiar with the tools that how they have to perform these complex analysis on Nvivo or SPSS and other complex data analysis tools. Then this is the point where they can take help from the specialized, specifically designed AI tools for the qualitative and quantitative data analysis for researchers. This video is focusing on the review of the 3 most important AI tools which are being used for qualitative and quantitative data analysis, and how you can use them and how simple they are. And just by uploading your data, your questionnaire and some basic details, you will be able to get an entire results along with discussions, tables, themes, codes and numerical analysis. The link of all these tools are available in the description with discount codes. And for further details and these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe my channel.
All these 3 AI tools have been designed for researcher for complex data analysis, and they are supporting quantitative and qualitative data analysis, both approaches comprehensively. You will explore the feature of each tool and how it's going to help you in this complete process in this video. And after going through the details, you can select that which tool do you like most. First AI tool is the Julius AI, and this tool has been specifically designed for analyze data instantly with the AI. And this tool helps you to not only analyze the data, to create the visuals, but also to adjust your data and to fix it where needed. As you can see, they are offering you multiple features. These are the use cases, can be used in marketing, analyze product data and get insights. In finance, you can use in scientific research, education, and these are the resources which they are going to help you. It's offering you different connectors which you can connect with Julius to import the documents. And these are the tools. For example, I'm going to use this for scientific analysis, and you can even select the agent accordingly. Analyze this data and create different visuals with I'm going to upload the file and analyze the data and create different visuals with the description. So it's connect with data, run as analysis, and then Julius is calibrating this data. So it will follow a step-by-step process to analyze your data technically by going through all the questionnaires, all the details which you have uploaded in the file, and then definitely will analyze accordingly so that it will align with your research gap and research questions. So after analyzing the data, Julius AI suggested me 3 questions. What are the data cleaning steps next? How to verify data integrity, and what would be the best model to analyze. So for example, I'm going to skip this and how to verify, and I'm going to move with the best model to analyze this data. So this is the chart which have been generated, and this is the table which have been generated based on the data, and these all are the descriptions you create of what it's saying with the current sample analysis. So it also provides you some additional questions which you can proceed with to perform the further analysis. The second tool is DataLumio. This tool is offering you to analyze qualitative and quantitative data by using the same tool. You have to click on data analysis, and then you have to select the type of analysis you want to perform. For qualitative analysis, you have to select the option. Then you have to click on the upload your files and then you have to press on the next step. Here you can prompt the tool, type your questions here, and you can even type the themes if you have developed. Otherwise, you can skip this section and start analysis. So it's better to provide all the details at the prompt section, what you want this tool to analyze for you. And in the theme section, if you have done with the themes development, you can upload your themes. So the results you will get will be more precise and according to your requirement. So the tool will take 3 to 5 minutes to perform detailed analysis and to develop a ready-to-use document. Definitely you have to use as initial document and to add some more results and more discussions on that. And you can expand any section which you want by using any AI tool. And you can use even Gen AI for that purpose to expand the section which you want. but you will get the results in 3 to 5 minutes, and that will help you to overcome your writing block, and you will know that how you have to proceed with the data analysis. So I have to download the file, and here you can see this is the analysis summary, awareness and families with AI tools, AI use patterns. So this is the visuals of the trends which have been observed throughout the data, and this is the themes breakdown: theme number 1, theme number 2, theme number 3. Then analysis report, key quotes which have been developed by keeping in view the data and the themes, and you can see different visuals which can be used in your document developed by the tool. And this is the theme table, and as you move forward you will see some more visuals, sentiment analysis, and this is a key vocabulary word cloud for you, and this is the conclusion. So you can expand this section just by copying it and pasting it to GenAI, and can expand each section by providing the instruction where you want to take this writing. In the same way, you will be able to, when you click on data analysis, to perform the quantitative data analysis, and you have to upload the file in the same manner, and you can perform the analysis and will download the final report. The third tool is Ailyze, and this tool again is providing you qualitative and quantitative analysis by using same tool as you can see here. Number 1, qualitative data analysis software. So you can perform qualitative data analysis by using Ailyze, and Ailyze is the number 1 qualitative data analysis software till date. You can use this tool to take interviews, and for that purpose you can develop survey responses, and you can upload the audio files, AI avatar even for the interviewers. In the second step, if you have your data with you, you have to develop the type of analysis you want to perform in a qualitative analysis. Either want to develop the thematic analysis and codebook, cross-segment analysis, frequency and content analysis, and you have a transcription, or you want to do the translation. So for example, if you go for simple AI analysis of the docs or simple AI analysis of the XLSV files, so here you will upload the document. So this is the codebook which have been generated. In the same way, these are the themes which have been generated, and you can make changes where you want, and you will see a comprehensive detailed analysis of all of the themes. In the same way, this is the executive summary of the document which have been developed by Ailyze, and you can see a very comprehensive summary based on each participant, and you have to provide the tool all the basic details which it asks for you. And these are the word frequency visualization which you can see here, and you can download any in the form of a PNG or CVC. These are the themes, theme 1 information source, and you will see a very minor in-depth detail for each theme and each section of the document. In this way, you can perform different type of a segment analysis with the help of Ailyze, and you can access all of these tools from the links available in description with discount codes.
All of these tools are providing you high quality results if you feed the tool with appropriate information and fill all the section which tool requires for quality data analysis. You can use these data analysis as an initial document to proceed further, and definitely don't forget to take suggestion from your supervisor and colleagues before publishing them. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to share it with others, and I will see you in another video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye bye.